Nubia is preparing to release the Z70S Ultra Photographer Edition next month, as a newly released teaser says today. This also includes the word Avengers, which implies a collaboration with Marvel, but maybe it's just a sneaky way to get some attention. The phone's main camera will have a 35mm equivalent focal length, according to recent rumors. The teaser also confirms this, as you can see below. The brand says it will be using a new large sensor for the main camera too, which will make for an interesting pairing with the 35mm focal length. As the device has already been certified for sale in China by Tina, we know its rear will look like the picture above. The main camera is, as you can see, very prominently featured, and the entire design is halfway between a recent Nubia device and a classic camera. It's unclear what its other specs are, but since this is also an Ultra, we expect it to borrow quite a few of them from the Z70 Ultra, which launched back in November. That phone has a 6.85-inch 144Hz AMOLED screen with 2000 nit peak brightness, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset at the helm, 12/16/24 GB of RAM, 256 GB/512 GB/1 TB of storage, and a 6150 mAh battery with support for 80W wire charging.